Join us for an insightful talk by Subhash C. Arya, Professor and in charge of the Lightwave Communication System Laboratory at Northeastern Hill University, Shillong. The agenda includes an introduction to IDL, its goals, applications of light technologies, and the revolutionary role of Silicon Photonics in AI/ML LLM. The International Year of Light 2015 was a landmark event by UNESCO, leading to the annual celebration of the International Day of Light on 16th May. 16th May is chosen for IDL due to laser's transformative impact on society, recognized through numerous Nobel Prizes. Themes span science, culture, and development. Ideal themes over the years have ranged from Light for All in 2018 to Light in Our Lives in 2024, highlighting diverse aspects of light's impact. The ideal aims to improve public understanding of light's role in daily life and its significance in global development, research, and technology. The ideal goals include emphasizing research, promoting careers in light-based sciences, and advocating for sustainable lighting technology to improve quality of life globally. Light technologies revolutionize communication through optical fibers and medical imaging, enhancing internet speeds and enabling non-invasive medical diagnostics. Quantum photonics, energy-efficient lighting, and solar panels are just a few applications of light technologies that contribute to scientific advancement and sustainability. Light technologies also enhance security, environmental monitoring, and manufacturing, employing light-based sensors and lasers for various industrial applications. Silicon Photonics is revolutionizing AI/ML LLM by enabling faster data processing and interconnects, crucial for the future of cloud AI services. Silicon Photonics plays a significant role in data centers, reducing power consumption while enhancing performance for AI and machine learning applications. The growth of large language models, LLMs, and AI-centric servers is driving the evolution of optical interconnects, highlighting Silicon Photonics' pivotal role. Optical interconnects are evolving from pluggable form factors to advanced onboard optics and optical I/O engines, integrating digital electronics with photonics. Photonic silicon on insulator (SOI) substrates offer significant advantages for silicon photonics devices and circuits, crucial for AI and machine learning technologies. Denuded zone handle silicon wafer technology is pivotal for silicon photonics, ensuring mechanical robustness and optimal performance for AI and cloud applications. The talk concludes with an overview of IDL's background, goals, applications of light technologies, and the transformative potential of silicon photonics in AI/ML LLM. Thank you for joining us and celebrating IDL 2024. Let's continue to explore and appreciate the wonders of light in our lives. For further reading and references, visit the provided web links to explore more about IDL, sustainable development goals, and silicon photonics advancements.